Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Donkey Kong step by step. Start by mastering the left and right movement, jumping and climbing so you can avoid barrels and reach platforms. Practice short hops and rolling jumps to clear obstacles reliably. Watch enemy patterns before committing to a path, and prioritize rescue routes that open scoring chances. Stay calm, rehearse simple sections, and build consistency to improve each run over time. Approach each level with a plan that accounts for hazard timing and platform layout. Identify safe zones where you can pause briefly and watch barrel patterns before advancing. Use items like hammers only when they offer clear advantage, and avoid risky grabs that cost a life. Learn shortcuts and use ladders strategically to bypass congested areas. Practice sequencing moves slowly until muscle memory makes timing second nature for faster, cleaner runs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long practice sessions, and it fits into most cup holders and gaming desks. It seals well, looks clean, and keeps water handy between attempts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once basics are solid, focus on precision and timing to shave mistakes from runs. Practice frame-perfect jumps and controlled drops to maintain momentum and preserve lives. Use baiting techniques to manipulate enemy positions and create safe passages for key sections. Memorize optimal routes that balance score and safety, and rehearse tricky sequences until they become automatic. Gradual practice will turn difficult segments into reliable plays that boost confidence and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.